Hey y'all, so welcome back. So we're back with another review. So I wanted to show you guys my new eyeglasses. So I received them from a company called Firmoo. I've worked with them before and I have bought plenty of glasses from them. Now, I don't know if a lot of you know that I do wear prescription eyeglasses, okay? I don't wear them a lot when I'm filming, but I do wear them. Okay, I wear them for reading and just as an everyday wear sometimes, okay? So if you see me with glasses on, then 9 times out of 10, they're prescription and I need them to see, okay? So, like I said, I got my glasses from the company Firmoo and they came in this package right here. All right, so I'm gonna take them out so you guys can see. This is the case. And it has Firmoo, the company's name, and it says, "You define your look." Okay, so the glass case, not too bulky. All right, and then they also sent some literature with it as well. So it just has like contact information, just little stuff like how to clean for your glasses, maintaining eye health, and all of that. Okay, and then it also has a coupon in there as well. Okay, and then this is a gift card. Okay, all right, so let's get into the glasses. Okay. Okay, so it does come in a little dust bag. And it has a cleaning cloth in it. And then I'll show you all the style of the glasses. Now, like I said, I have a bunch of glasses, I do. But the only style that I didn't have was a clear pair. So I was like, you know what? Let's rock with the clear pair. Now, as you can see, the arms are orange. And I don't know if you can tell, but the rim of the glasses are outlined in like an orange or gold glitter, which is very adorable. Okay, and I'm going to try them on for you all. Oh yeah, those are cute. Oh my God, those are so cute. Okay, now I want to point out that almost every single day I do wear eyelashes, right? And sometimes I like to wear like the big frames just so that my lashes aren't hitting the lens. But this style right here, like I don't feel like they're hitting them too much. Oh yeah, those are cute. Now, one thing I love is, so this company is very affordable when it comes to purchasing your glasses, and especially if you have a prescription, because they do sell them where you can just purchase the glasses without a prescription. But because of the type of prescription that I need, I have to have a bifocal in there, right? So right below is a bifocal. It's called Progressive. Okay, so right underneath is bifocal. But this company is so affordable, you guys. I have purchased glasses without even being sponsored for them, and they were under $100. Do you hear me? Under $100. Now, if you go to your name brand retail vision places, then you're going to spend at least $200 to $300. And I know for the type of prescription that I need, that is what I'm spending. All right. And that's with insurance, because I do have vision insurance. So that's with insurance. Okay, but like I said, this company is very affordable, y'all. Oh, those are so cute. Okay, now, it does take, I think it took about a week after I picked the frame that I wanted. It took about a week for them to get made, and then I received them within like 4 to 5 days, okay? And they did come regular postal mail, so I didn't have to worry about them being lost in FedEx or UPS or anything like that. Okay, I do have a coupon code for you guys, so you will be receiving a discount if you use that coupon code. But yeah, y'all, tell me what y'all think about these. I think they are so adorable. Yes, Firmoo, I give you guys a thumbs up. Thank you for sending me these. And yeah, so if you're feeling them, check them out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.